following the current crisis in Ukraine and the Russian invasion in Ukraine, there has been, I would say, an increased use of missiles, of fighters, of UAVs at the border, close to the border to NATO territories. So it increases the risk and the threat from an air and missile standpoint. It is for us really important, more than ever, that we are able to train and to get this capacity growing in these current circumstances. It is a clear message or clear expression of NATO commitment to readiness.
So they can load those ships up with, they can have LMM.